Welcome to Jethro's Garage. So, as you've seen, today we're going to be talking about these Husky build-outs. Refer to this over here. So I've got the tool case, the rolling toolbox, which is down here on the floor, and the large toolbox. I purchased them as a bit of a to-go box, something to throw in the back of the truck. Maybe I'm picking up a car. Maybe I got to go help someone out with theirs. Something to that effect. There's another thing I was thinking about the other day. I don't know. But anyway, that's what it's for. We're going to go over a few of the things. Okay, I'm sitting here at Home Depot, and I've been thinking about a test or whatever of building one of these type deals for a to-go. You know, something bigger, something you take to work on cars on the go, something like that. So I can be in, they give me a 3-stack setup for this Husky for roughly 130 before taxes, 125 before taxes. And then I should get a 10% discount on that. For something very similar, this one is gonna be about $25 higher for the Ryobi, and then the Rigid is, then again, they don't have the bottom piece, but the Rigid would then again be another roughly $20, $30 higher than the Ryobi for a 3-piece. And then of course there's the DeWalt and Milwaukee. I'm not even. Here's the thing, the Rigid comes with better like storage trays and stuff. The Ryobi does, but a little less. And then the Husky, well, it just comes with the box you throw your stuff in, pretty much. What do y'all think? I think I know which way I'm gonna go, and we're gonna see how she works. All of them seem to be built waterproof with gaskets in them, and I think that's a big thing. A lot of the tools you're gonna throw in here already have their little thing. So let's figure this out, see what we're gonna do. Okay, the Husky build out. So the tool case, which is the smaller one, product number 10089803337, capable of holding 50 pounds, 1,045 cubic inches. It is regular price $29.98. I bought it for $22.49. You've also got the rolling toolbox, which is, I don't know how many pounds that is. 30 pounds? I don't know what I put up there. Anyways, 33.83 cubic inches. $79.98 is the price. Yeah, that was, man, what, 300 pounds. 300 pounds, wow. I cannot read. And the large toolbox holds 100 pounds, is 2,361 cubic inches. These are made in China, and they have a lifetime limited warranty. Oh, by the way, the large toolbox is $39.98. I paid $26.99 for it. So this has a small recessed work surface right here. You can add other stuff to make you a work surface up here. They have an integrated rail right here. I've only seen one accessory right now. It's like a hanger, so you can hang your these extension cords, these things right here. Golly. Anyway, It's got an IP65 protection rating. In other words, intrusion protection. And it's not, I guess it's not completely waterproof, but it does protect against projected water. I don't know. We will test that out in another video. I plan on spraying them down and seeing if they get water in them, what have you. Also plan on beating them up a little bit, seeing how much they take. It's impact resistant. Has these nice, pretty nice little locks. Plus, you can lock these, but I gotta find it. Let's see. Where is the lock? Oh, right here. The lock is right here. Open it up. Has a rubber gasket right here and a raised place right here where it where it fits into. This one doesn't come with any type of trays or anything. It's just a plain toolbox. Let's see, what have we got here? There's some. Trying to figure out what these, there's some, let me bring y'all up here. Trying to figure out what these are. I don't see where they raise. Well, they raise, they're down here. These are very, very tight. So I haven't quite figured out what that is for. Well, okay. Not sure what that's for. I guess I'll have to do some research on that. Anyways, these feel pretty well built. I like the way they're done. They're very sturdy feeling. The back hinge looks decently made. It could probably be a little better, but I mean, for the price, these ain't too bad. Let's take a look at the next one. So this is the large toolbox. It does come with a tray in here. That's all it comes with. So it's very similar to the other, except it's really just bigger. Ain't a whole lot to tell you about it that's different. Still haven't figured out these two little notches, these two little things in here. I'll figure it out. It'll be something stupid simple. It says there's a dual lock and release mechanism. So I don't know. Let's take this one off and show you the other one. This is the rolling toolbox. Has wheels down here. They're a hard plastic. I'm not sure if I want to throw this one off the mezzanine here. I don't know that it would hold up. I would certainly take the handle out if I were. But let's look at it. In this one, there is no tray or anything. Like I said, very similar to the rest. All of them are very closely related. A whole lot of storage in this one. Stinky plastic. Now, here's how they connect to each other. So I can just push this down on the next one down on top and it locks in. And if I want to release them, I have to push down on them to release. But I can also, on the bottom one, lift up. So it's got this right here. And it pushes down on those. So I would lift up on it and it helps it unlock. It unlocks it. Now on this one, the handle removes. And there you go. You don't have to, let's say you don't need the handle in there. You don't have to worry about it getting messed up. It will also go down like that. Pretty nice setup for the price. This is the one I chose, and like you seen in the video earlier that I posted, when I was going through looking at the rest, I looked at the features, what was important to me, and I decided this was the best for my money. Stay tuned for future videos on that. We're going to be testing them out a little bit to see how we like them, how well they do. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate everything you do. Please, 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 if you don't mind, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and share me with your friends if you don't mind. Y'all take care of each other and have a blessed week.